Hi, my name is Felipe Hermosillo. I'm the Director of AV Sales for Tempest. And we're looking at the Blizzard outdoor model. We offer 5 different models in this series, depending on the size. And these are for all weather, rain, dust, sand. And we have a very good filtration system, which it can filter pretty much anything. They're rated at MERV 11. And for more information, you can visit our website, tempest.org. We have lots of information there, spec sheets, brochures, technical drawings, and even some samples or installations where our products have been installed all over the world with very good results. Again, our website is tempest.org. Please visit us. Thank you.